Hello, this is Cherie for Justnailedit. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a second half of our haul slash PR package. There's items in here that I ordered, and there's probably my PR items in here too. So we're going to dive in. Oh, this is how you know it's from Charlie's Nail Art. You get your, where's my glasses? This is Air Mail, Royal Mail. And then up here, it has Sequines. I think that's really cute. I really like that. So here are our goodies. This is my PR package. We'll set that aside. We've got a note from Charlie. Hello, Cherie. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing all your nail art designs, Charlie. Here's all their social media. We hold this up so you can see them. Follow them on Instagram, Charlie's Nail Art Supply, _ between each one. They're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. Some things I don't know what these are. YouTube. Some things I don't know what they are, but that's where they're at. They are located in the UK. So let's dive in. I feel like, I don't know what I feel like. Oh, sweet. I was worried I didn't order these. These are the Neon Square Mix. Cannot wait to play with these. This is a 4-gram bag. Look at how beautiful that is. Let me move my things over here. We got some foil. Silver foil. It's ever so light. Ever so light. Cannot wait to play with that. We have some netting here. They've got purple, white, black, pink, gray, and blue. So I gotta learn with the quickness how to use this. Let me see. These are both blue Mylar. Love encapsulating these. I think they're beautiful. They're really stunning. 4-gram bags on these as well. Oh, 3-gram bags, okay. Right here, 3 grams. Blue Mylar. This one here, blue iridescent shreds, 4 grams. I think these are really, I love these. Totally love them. Let's see what else we have. We have the awareness ribbons. These will come in so handy. I do a lot of awareness videos throughout the year. We have got unicorn heads. Unicorn sequins, I'm sorry, but they are unicorn heads. We started over here. We have some crosses, some metal crosses. Ooh, looky here. We have the square gems. Love, love, love. We have angel hair paper. This shifts from yellow to purple. I don't know if you can tell, but it does. It really, really does. We've got our playing cards here. I'll be encapsulating these probably in an acrylic video. These here are white skull and crossbones. matte skull and crossbones. These are 3-gram bags. When I order 2 packages like this, it's because one is for me. One will go towards a giveaway. Honey Bun Hearts. This is a 3-gram bag. Look at those. Those are just awesome, aren't they? Love, love, love. Okay, let me see this. Oh, look how beautiful that is. That is just gorgeous. I can sit here and mess and play with this all day. This is a 3-gram bag of pink Mylar, whatever. Tomatoes, potatoes. These are musical notes. These will come in handy. Ooh, we have more gems by Charlie's, different shapes. Love, love, love. Okay. These 3 here, we have got the peach, I'm going to call it, the purple, and the light green. These are in 4-gram bags. They are crushed shells. I got these to encapsulate sometime or another on my docu-series that I do for learning acrylics. If you haven't checked that out, please do so. Look at the pink flowers. Aren't those too cute? Somebody's awake and messaging me. Diana. Oh my. And last but not least, we have got, I don't remember what these are. I can't remember what these are. They're all clumped together. They won't come undone. I'm sorry, I have to answer Diana. She's on an overnight trip. I don't remember what these are. And I don't want to open them yet. These could be bunny ears or a bunny's head. So let me get this all cleared up now that you've had a good gander. Getting a little parched. We got our crushed shells. We got some new gems here I can play with. Can't wait for those. Have to learn how to use the netting so I can do a video. If anybody has any suggestions, I'm all ears. I just seen it, knew I had to have it. Can't wait. Can't wait. So let me get this set aside and I'll be right back to open the PR package. Alright, we are back with our PR sample from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's. My 10% off code is Nailedit10, all caps. So please feel free to use it. Shipping is only $3.99 no matter how much you order, how little you order, no matter where you live. So that's a beautiful thing. Ooh. We have got some starry foils. Oh, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Can't wait to play with that. Look at these. I think these are so pretty. And this is Fancy Pants Glitter, a sample. Oh, that is really nice. Look at that. Sorry if I'm out of frame. This is Fancy Pants Glitter. It has got a mixture of chunky and fine glitter. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Blossom Delight. Oh, I have to get me some of this. Look at that. This is just a sample bag. Normally they're 3 or 4 grams, maybe even 5. 4 grams, this is what you normally would be. This is just a sample for a PR package. That is gorgeous. I can't make out what's in it though, but that is beautiful. We have some pink and white polka dot bows. That's going to be so pretty in a manicure. And here we got the pink and white polka dot bows. And these are samples. We got the seashells. We have the pink, white, and blue. Normally you'd get, let me see what's on the back, just a sample. This has got minimal amount in it. Normally for the regular size you get, it would be like up to here. You probably get like a good 50 pieces. But like we get, oh, we got donuts. I forgot I wanted these. Donuts. Donuts. I'll be using those in an acrylic video. Cannot wait to use these. These again are my PR samples from Charlie's Nail Art. Don't forget to use my code Nailedit10, all caps, for your 10% off. As you see, and from this video and from my first haul, she carries a wide variety of items. There's the foils, the transfers, the glitters, the fine glitters, the chunky glitters, all these embellishments. And she's got, I call them gems or rhinestones, and those are in different shapes. So you get a wide variety of things, and these are pennies on the dollar for high quality items. I used to shop AliExpress for a lot of these types of items, but since finding Charlie's Nail Art, I don't need to. I can go directly to Charlie's Nail Art, save a lot of coin, get my discount, pass my discount on to you, and hopefully we all save some money. There you go. Don't forget, check out Charlie's Nail Art. The website is, let me hold it up so you can see it, charliesnailart.co.uk. They are in the UK, so right now things are taking just a little bit longer because of COVID for them to come through. Probably like an extra week or so for delivery. Just to let you know, but they are still open for business. You can still buy all your great nail items. Nail art items, I should say. Cannot wait to use all of this. Donut, donut, donut. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.